In this video, I will show you how to activate Fiat wallet on your crypto.com. So first thing you need to do is open up your crypto.com app and then you have to click on this second option, accounts. Then on the screen you have to select this Fiat wallet, or it can also be labeled as cash account. So you have to just click on it. Then you will see this similar screen. From here you have to click on this accept all button. Then this pop-up window will open up. From here you have to first click on this box and then click on this accept all button, and then it will ask you to submit some informations about yourself. So just click on submit now, and then you just have to verify your identity. So it will ask you to enter your SSN number or some other personal details. So just enter these details, and then your request will be submitted for the verification. And once your identity has been verified, you will be able to see this similar screen. So now your Fiat wallet has been activated. Now you can deposit money and start buying crypto. So deposit, now to deposit money you can simply click on this deposit now button, and then you can simply select your preferred currency from here, or you can add new currency by clicking on this last option. And then you can use these available methods, deposit methods, to deposit money in your Fiat wallet. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.